And here we see small little spoons made of driftwood and shells. These ones, if you look closely, you can see the limpet shell, and you can see the driftwood piece, and then it gets connected by means of a very hard proxy clay, which gets painted in bright colors. It's a non-toxic paint that gets used. So these are not only quite quirky items, they're quite functional as well. Each one would look different. If we look at these others, you can see that all of them would look different. They all get painted in different colors, but all kind of very artistic. But like I've said, these items are actually quite functional. They could be used as sugar spoons, as you can see here. Very functional. And this actual spoon is the one that I've been using in my home for the last 2.5 years. As you can see, they get washed. Of course, you can't dishwash it in a dishwasher, but you can just give it a hand wash. They're very durable and very functional, and looks artistic and quirky, and definitely a little conversation piece. They could also be used to dish up any other foods, like you can see here, just for olives, and guaranteed to look nice on any dinner table or at any function, and would make a lovely gift, and definitely always a little conversation piece. So there you have your small driftwood and shell spoons.